Investing can seem intimidating, but it's a great way to grow your wealth over time. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started, understanding your financial goals. 1. Define your goals. What are you trying to achieve through investing? For example, retirement, buying a house, or wealth accumulation. 2. Risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the possibility of losing some or all of your investment? 3. Time horizon. When do you need the money? Types of investments. 1. Stocks represent ownership in companies, for example, Apple, Google. 2. Bonds represent debt obligations, for example, government, corporate bonds. 3. Real estate, investing in property or real estate investment trusts, REITs. 4. Mutual funds, diversified portfolios of stocks, bonds, or other securities. 5. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, similar to mutual funds but trade on an exchange like stocks. 6. Index funds, track a specific market index, for example, S&P 500. 7. Cryptocurrencies, digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Getting started. 1. Open a brokerage account. Find a reputable online brokerage firm, for example, Fidelity, Vanguard, Robinhood. 2. Fund your account. Deposit money into your brokerage account. 3. Choose your investments. Select the investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. 4. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to invest each month. 5. Start small. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase it over time. 6. Monitor and adjust. Periodically review your portfolio and rebalance it as needed. Additional tips. 1. Educate yourself. Continuously learn about investing and personal finance. 2. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. 3. Avoid emotional decisions. Make informed, rational investment decisions. 4. Have patience. Investing is a long-term game. Avoid expecting quick returns. 5. Consider professional advice. If you're new to investing or unsure, consult a financial advisor. Remember, investing is a journey. Start with a solid understanding of your goals and risk tolerance, and gradually build your investment portfolio.